This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cutting boards, specifically these RW-based flexible cutting boards or mats. They come as a set of 4, and these flexible mats are fantastic. They're a nice 18 by 12 inch size, and as you can see, they come in this set of 4 colors. They're fantastic for color coding in your kitchen, for food safety, or for dietary and allergen needs. Red for raw meats, green for fruit and veg, white for dairy and pastry, and then purple for allergens. So you have a lovely little built-in coating system right there with the set. They're both strong and flexible, making them great for chopping on, but also you can fold up and use them to slide right into your pot. So they're really great. They're built to withstand use in commercial kitchens, so all that repeated chopping night after night, they can really hold up to it. And they can also be run through commercial dishwashers, making cleanup easy with these as well. They're a nice, lightweight, flexible material that's also really thin, so they're not bulky and they're not going to take up a lot of space, which is fantastic as well. They're perfect for a variety of food establishments or just for use at home in your own kitchen.